Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you guys don't know me, my name is Daniela. If you would like to see me go from this to this, then just keep on watching. We got our tape on and now I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It concealer and I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to grab Soft Glam from ABH and I'm going to use the shade Tempera. I'm going to grab that white shade and I'm going to set that concealer that's on my eye. Now that our eyes are set, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35O palette, bringing back the oldies. I'm going to use that orange shade because I think that's the reason why I bought this palette. This orange shade right here is like life. Guess who's making a video?
Oh shit! Look at you!
Alright ladies, so now I'm going to go in with this softer orange and I'm just going to lighten up the orange that's on my outer crease. Alright my love, so now I'm going to touch the Soft Glam palette and I'm going to use the shade Sienna and I'm going to start working within my eyelid. I'm going to use the shade Mulberry on the outer corner of my eyelid. I'm going to go back in with the Kat Von D concealer and I'm going to shape out the inner corners of my eyelid. I'm going to go back into the ABH and I'm going to use Sienna again. But this time I'm going to use the M507 brush. I'm going to go into my crease. Okay ladies, so now what I'm going to do is go in with Noir from the Soft Glam palette and I'm going to smoke out the outer corner of my eye. I already started, as you can see, so I'm going to continue on. I'm going to go back in with Sienna and I'm going to blend that all together. I'm going to use Mulberry to go more towards the middle of my eyelid. And I'm going to go in and use Brawn. So I'm going to use Rihanna's Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty Beauty and I'm going to use that in the inner corner just to see if I can get it to the best gold. Ladies, so I actually went ahead and I also put my lashes on besides coating my lashes with mascara. The lashes I decided to use today was House of Lashes in Iconic Light. I know that they have two different styles, not two different styles, I mean they're the same exact style, but the only difference is that the band is either more thicker or more thinner, and I use the light version, which is the thinner band for the lashes, which makes it much more comfortable, but the eyelashes still look amazing. I'm going to start with my face and I will come back once my face is done and I will finish off with the eye look. The blush I'm going to be using today is the blush from Pretty Vulgar, and this is the blush that came in this month's BoxyCharm, March's BoxyCharm, and the shade that I was lucky to get is called Hush Blush. It's shade number 18, and it's the most beautiful pinky nudie blush. I'm going to go in with my highlighter, and the highlighter I'm going to use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. I'm going to use the leftover on the brush and I'm going to highlight my Cupid's bow. Look at that glow. I'm going to go back into the eyes with the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to use that orange shade again for my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with Soft Glam from ABH, and I'm going to use Sienna and Mulberry to smoke out the bottom lash line. Say hi! Hi guys! The eyeliner that I will be using today is Morphe itself gel eyeliner in the color Slate. So now, ladies, I'm going to go back in with the mascara that I was using earlier. Now I'm going to go in and use the LA Splash Cosmetics lip tint in the shade NYMPHEA. NYMPHEA, yes. Now I'm going to go in with some lip gloss. I am personally a lip gloss girl. The gloss I'm going to be using today is the BECCA Cosmetics Liquid Crystal Topper Gloss Glow in the shade Rose Quartz X Seashell. I went on top with the JOUER Cosmetics Skinny Dip and I put it only in the center of my lips just to give it more of a reflective look to it, and also so it could look a little bit more gold in the middle than pink. This is actually, I went and toned it up a little bit more, but it's neutral, it's working with browns, a little bit of black, and mostly golds. This is super easy to do. All you really need to achieve this look is a lot of patience. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. In my last video, it shows step by step what I used on my face, from foundation, primer, what I used to contour, what I used to highlight, absolutely everything. Also, it shows what I used for my brows, so if you guys want to go and check that out, you can definitely go ahead. Don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Comment below what you guys would love to see more from me, and subscribe to my channel. You guys definitely would not regret. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys next time. Bye.